नमस्कार मित्रों, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल पर। और इस YouTube चैनल के माध्यम से आपको मिलते हैं शॉर्ट एंड डिक्टेशंस, फ्रेजेस और आउटलाइंस। अगर आप पहली बार हमारे चैनल पर विजिट कर रहे हैं या अभी तक आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। साथ ही हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल से या व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप से या फिर हमारे फेसबुक ग्रुप से जुड़ना चाहते हैं तो उसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। साथ ही ये जो मैटर बोलने वाले हैं जिसकी स्पीड रहेगी 100 वर्ड्स पर मिनट, इसका मैटर भी आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा, इसका लिंक भी आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। तो दोस्तों, आपको अगर इसी तरीके की कुछ वीडियोस और चाहिए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर ले। साथ ही साथ आप बताएं हमारी वीडियो, हमारे डिक्टेशन कैसा आपको लग रहा है, आपको अच्छा लग रहा है या बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, मुझे नहीं लगता बुरा लग रहा होगा। तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर ले। साथ ही कमेंट के माध्यम से हमें बताएं कि आपको और क्या चाहिए, आपको और किस चीज़ की जरूरत है, हम आपको वो चीज़ें प्रोवाइड करेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। 5 seconds. If you see the structure of the budget, the revenue receipts and the capital receipts, the expenditure is being financed more and more from the capital receipts, the non-plan expenditure being financed even more by the capital receipts. These are the concerns that have been expressed, and therefore not only has the Prime Minister given a commitment, but he has also provided inbuilt mechanism to control deficit. For example, the budget deficit will not be allowed to increase. Firstly, he has mentioned about the setting up of a cabinet committee to monitor it more regularly. Then the emphasis is that there is no room for wastage. There is no room for ostentatious expenditure and no room for unproductive expenditure. Thirdly, the public sector must generate resources more than what it is doing. Then there is the cost benefit ratio being established. Every rupee that is now spent must give maximum results. Financial outlays must match the achievement of physical targets. Marrying of the financial outlays and the achievement of the public targets is a very important phenomenon, and I commend the government for giving emphasize to this and making inbuilt arrangements, inbuilt mechanism to achieve this. Another important factor is the cost of delivery programs. We are going to spend a large amount, rupees 2000 crores, on the anti-poverty program, which is a very important program. But there have been reports from the implementation ministry or the implementation machinery that the program is not being implemented in the manner it should have been and not producing the desired results. It is therefore very important that the cost of delivery of these programs is reduced and we are able to produce better results and we are able to achieve our ultimate aim. In the present situation, we are having such a large phenomenal expenditure, astronomical public expenditure, and in order to have a control over expenditure, it is necessary to create a situation in which the entire financing of the scheme becomes non-inflationary. It is important to control the expenditure. It is also important to see that for every rupee spent, we are able to produce maximum benefit. Another innovation has been the introduction of quarterly budgeting. There is a zero-based budget and the entire policy of subsidy that is being given to that it must reduce overheads. For that, it is necessary that there is a mechanism of quarterly budgeting. and there has been introduced with a purpose, and it is not that a cut in expenditure on certain items here and there is going to help. What is going to help is something else. Thank you.